Hi, how you doing? This is Said and I'm back with another video for you, and in this video we're going to talk about a very important subject today. Content. Okay, in affiliate marketing, content plays a crucial role in contributing towards your affiliate marketing growth and success, because through content you can communicate, help and serve your audience in many ways. Okay, as a result, of your valuable content that you provide, it will encourage, influence your audience to buy products that you recommend to them. So content allows you to find your target audience and the opportunity to get your affiliate products and links exposed to the people who are likely to be interested in your products, in your niche. Okay, so the benefits of using content marketing in your affiliate marketing business. So let's go through some important benefits, reason why you should make an effort to implement content marketing for your business if you're not already doing it. Okay, so your prospects and customers see your affiliate marketing business as a credible, genuine and an authority in your industry. Okay, content marketing can help in building trust and provide value to your audience. Okay, your affiliate marketing business can be perceived as an expert in your field through content marketing. Content marketing allows you to provide value upfront to your audience, thus creating a goodwill gesture. Okay, content marketing can be a great way to warm up your cold traffic. In other words, new audience. When you find new audience, it could help to a new audience who've never heard of you into prospects and customers. Okay, content marketing helps you build and maintain good relationships with your audience. Having increasing content on your website opens up more possibilities for new prospects and audiences to discover and learn about your business, that's creating potential to buy from you. So content creates the potential for your website to generate more traffic, leads and sales, as your website and its content can become more visible on the internet and search engines such as Google and Bing. Okay, content allows you to influence and persuade your audience to buy from you by utilizing proven copywriting techniques. So types of content to create for your business. Okay, so here's some types of content that you can create and publish for your affiliate marketing business in order to grow your business. So reviewing products, educational content, advisory content, informational content, how-to content, pre-sale page content such as bridge page content, bonus content, FAQ content, resources content, product support content, lead magnet content, i.e. books, videos, etc., and any type of content that can help and be useful for your audience. Okay, the different formats of content that you can create for your business. So here's some popular formats of content that you can create. You can create text written based content, i.e. for blogs. You can create video based content, for example social video sites like YouTube. You can create audio based content, for example for podcasts. You can create image based content, for example Instagram, Pinterest. You can create infographic based content, okay, that provide value but they're in images. You can create document based content like Word, for example, and share it on sites like SlideShare. The formats you choose can be based on what you prefer and also based on what may be best suitable for your niche and your topics and the topics that you're covering. Okay, so for example, let's say you're passionate about photography and you have a photography based affiliate website and you're promoting photography based products. So in this particular example, you're writing a review, say, promoting an expensive SLR camera, for example. Okay, so in this scenario, instead of describing the picture quality alone, which you would do probably, you may want to add some images of the images that you've taken with the camera and include this in your review. Okay, so they can see that the quality of the images. So the best format at this time would be to take some pictures, of course, and add the pictures in your review so they can visually see, of course, the quality of the product, of the images that it produces, okay, of the camera. So you can see, you can use one or more combination of formats, i.e. images and text, to convey your message Express your message, your thoughts, and to your audience, like in this example, using text and images, okay, that we used. So platforms to publish and share your content. Once you have your content, you need a medium to serve and distribute and share the content. Fortunately, there are some great choices available, and these could be social video sites. I've mentioned some of these before, right? YouTube, Dailymotion, social business network sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, which is a business sort of network site, forums, article site directories, blog commenting, document sharing sites such as SlideShare, which I've mentioned, okay? And the number one site to publish your content is your own website, okay? And one of the core building foundations for an affiliate marketing business is to have your own website, right? If you do not have your own website yet, you must have your own website, okay? Also referred to as your home on the internet, okay? Your website is your home on the internet, your identity on the internet. So by having your website, as I mentioned, you will have your own unique place and identity on the internet and use it for many purposes to grow your business, okay? Therefore, the must-have asset, to accommodate your content first is to have your own website. So benefits of having your own website. Here's some of the benefits that we can, we'll go through. I'll go through now of having your own website, okay? So you can publish different types of content, as mentioned before, I mentioned earlier on. You can use your website for your audience to come to and learn more about what you do and how you can help them, i.e. the niche that you serve and the types of products that you recommend that will solve your audience's needs and problems, okay? You can use it to create specific marketing pages to promote your affiliate products. You can even use it for your audience to contact you without you having to talk to them on the phone, i.e. using contact forms. Your audience are likely to trust you more as you will have a real presence on the internet with your own website. In summary, your website will work 24/7 on your behalf, 365 days a year, providing value, information, education, and recommendations of your affiliate products, okay, in your niche. As an effect, potentially generating traffic, more leads, and affiliate commissions for you in a passive way, okay? Now that we're aware of the importance of having content marketing and your own website for your affiliate marketing business, we now need to look at the best way we can accommodate and manage our content technically within our sites, okay? So you need an efficient and robust system that will allow you to create, publish, and store and manage this content seamlessly with minimal effort and technical skill. The reason you want to be able to have something that should require less technical and less maintenance is because your main focus should be to grow your affiliate marketing business and not to be too busy with the technical side of things. That's where a content management system, or short for CMS, is the solution, as it can take care of your entire content management needs. CMS is essential for your affiliate business, as its purpose is to handle all of the content related side of things and will provide you a simple and efficient way to work with your content, okay? So what is a CMS, content management system, and how it can grow your affiliate marketing business? Okay, so let's go through this now. So a CMS, or a content management system, is usually referred to as a web-based system that enables you to create, edit, and manage all aspects of content for your affiliate marketing business. A CMS also serves as a website in the front end, just like a shop window that serves and displays your content to the web, to the whole world as it's on the internet, okay? So it's important to have a solid CMS in place for your affiliate business so that you can leverage its powers and advantages to set up and grow your affiliate marketing business. There are a variety of choices of content marketing systems available, content management systems available. The most popular one being WordPress.org, okay? And around 34% of the internet sites are built and powered by WordPress. So in fact, my website, affiliates.com, is also built on WordPress. WordPress is very versatile and can be used to build many different types of websites, including affiliate websites, and many affiliate marketers tend to go with WordPress system due to its benefits and features that it provides, especially for affiliate marketing as well. Benefits of having WordPress as your affiliate marketing website. Okay, so here's some of the benefits of using WordPress to power your affiliate marketing business. Okay, your website. So simple and easy way to build a variety of websites types, such as general information sites and particularly blogs. No web design skills required, and it's very user-friendly, front-end user-friendly interface to help you manage your website and its features. Choose from thousands of pre-designed templates, and many of them are free. Change the appearance and design of your website with just a few clicks by changing the themes. Customize and improve your website with thousands of plugins, and many of them are available for free. Okay, especially a lot of marketing tools and plugins that you can get for your website, for your WordPress website. Okay, for affiliate marketing, you can install, as I said, many marketing plugins to generate more traffic, leads, and commissions. Okay, and plus many more features it has. So ways to create content for your affiliate marketing, even if you don't want to write. Okay, so there's options for that as well. Okay, so regardless of what platform you use to build your website, whether it's WordPress or anything else, one of the key elements of your website will be content. Okay, content in a website is a bit like product and stocks inside a shop. For example, in a shop, different products will provide different purposes and value. Similarly, in your website, each piece of content needs to serve a specific purpose, right? Benefit and provide value to your audience. So it's important that you provide great quality content that will be helpful, relevant, useful, beneficial to your audience, prospects, and customers. There are quite a few range of options to create content. Let's take a look at some of these that you can and you can decide which route is best for you. Okay, so first method is to create content yourself, especially when you're starting out and on a low budget. You can have a dedicated staff that will create regular content. Okay, that's another option. You can buy instant content with PLR content, and these are basically private label content, private label rights content that you can purchase from authors that allow you to use their ready-made content on different subjects. Okay, you just need to choose what subject you want to and purchase from them. Once you purchase the content, you can modify the content and just use them in your marketing as they are. My favorite site for great quality PLR content is IDPLR, as they have over 12,000 PLR products. You can choose affordable prices. Okay, the downside with PLR is that you might have duplicate content, as other people will also buy them. And if you're okay with it, then go for it. If you're not, then you want custom content. And if you don't also want to write yourself, then next best option, of course, is to outsource your content creation. Okay, you can outsource your content creation with sites like Upwork and Fiverr, but they can cost you a bit. Sometimes some sites you're not sure of the quality that they're going to provide. Okay, if you're interested in custom content at great quality prices, you can afford like a few dollars, starting at a few dollars, then you want to check out HighWriters. Okay, I've used them before. I'll be happy to use them again. Okay. So yeah, these have with HighWriters, these have skilled writers on board and are able to write high quality content for your affiliate marketing business at fantastic and affordable prices. We've reached the end of part 1 on how to use content marketing to grow your affiliate marketing business. For part 2, click on the YouTube description below of this video. And if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe in the description in the YouTube on this page below. And if you'd like some free resources on building your affiliate marketing business, how to build your business with affiliate marketing, visit affiliateship.com/free. Okay, I'll also put the link in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in part 2.